brand new GoPro Hero 12 Black. I'm gonna open this up to show you what is inside the box. I'm Kirk, tech it before you wreck it, and I've got it right here in my hands, the brand new GoPro Hero 12 Black. This thing's got it all, 5.6K, 60 frames a second, 120 frames per second in 4K. It's waterproof up to 33 feet underwater. It's got voice control. It's got time warp, 27 megapixel photos. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of features on here. A lot of people excited about this. The latest, the greatest, brand new from GoPro. We want to see what's inside the box. Let's take it to the table. Let's scope out this box before we start ripping things open. You can see on the front, 12 Black. They don't even have the word Hero on there, which is interesting. They do still call it the Hero 12 Black, but I did notice right away that they've removed the word Hero from the front of the box. I don't know if they're getting away from that branding. Even on the GoPro itself, it looks like it says 12 Black on the side, but pretty cool. You can see on the side a whole bunch of features displayed here. 27 megapixel photo, 5.3K at 60 frames, 4K at 120 frames, 2.7K at 240 frames. That's the video. That's cool. That's some serious high-speed video going on right there. Waterproof up to 33 feet underwater. Voice control, 8 times slow motion, hyper view, time warp 3.0, 1080p live streaming, super photo, raw photos, HDR photo and video, 10-bit color, mod ready. I mean, a lot of the GoPro stuff that you've expected to see. A hyper smooth video stabilization 6.0. This is their built-in hyper smooth technology that smooths out your videos, and it works pretty well. I can't wait to try out the newest version here. So while GoPro is charging, your shots can be auto uploaded to the cloud, and then a highlight video is sent to you, of course, you notice down here, with a GoPro subscription. So like so many other companies, they're definitely focusing on cloud stuff, try to get those subscription fees, but it is cool that it uploads right from the camera to the cloud while you plug it in. Don't have to hook this up to your computer to get those clips into the cloud. On the other side here, we just see kind of a list of what we expect to see inside the box. It tells you what it includes, that Enduro battery, which is the new battery that they use here. It's supposed to last longer. Let's rip this guy open. On the bottom, we've got just the specs here, but we do have a little tab. Let's see if it actually works. Ooh, satisfying, isn't it? We'll open this guy up. And here we go. All right, nice presentation there. We've got a recycled, it seems like it's recycled, I'm guessing it's recycled, cardboard container here. Pretty simple stuff here, a couple of compartments on the inside. We've got a lid on the top, so we will open that lid. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. Let's try again. We will open that lid. Is that, let me look at this. Can't tell. Okay, so it says GoPro, it's upside down. That's because it's right side up when you open the container. Do you see it there on the top? It says GoPro kind of embossed there in the container. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. There you go. Newest firmware. This is what happens a lot of times when companies are still working on the software and they start shipping out product, or at least manufacturing products, I should say, before they can get the software finished. Sometimes they ship it out before the software is done, and they're saying, hey, get online, get the new software so you can get the best experience when you start out using it. Subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. They want you to subscribe to the Quick app and other kind of stuff here. Here's a simple quick start guide, how to charge it, how to turn it on, how to put your battery in, all the basics. Looks like a couple of cool GoPro stickers there. Very nice. Pro tips for the best cold weather performance. And here in Colorado where we are, that is definitely an issue, because you take this thing skiing, or a lot of these action cameras skiing in the past, and you deal with battery issues. So nice to see that in the package here. A decent size product manual. I'm sure it's in like 50 million different languages there. And here we go. Here's the gear. We always leave the good stuff for last, so we'll start with the accessories. This looks like your very, very basic USB-C cable. It does say GoPro on it. Can you see that? GoPro. USB-C. Hey, I can use this with the new iPhone if I want. But I won't. I'll use it with the GoPro. What else do we got inside of here? Oh, here's that new battery we were just talking about. Looks like it's got a little piece of paper wrapped around it. And there you go. It's not very big, but it's all about capacity. It's all about how long it lasts, of course, durability and such. It's got the typical little tag on there that we've seen in GoPros in the past. that you use to pull that out of the GoPro. But that is the Enduro GoPro battery, as they call it. We've got a couple of mounts, as we're so used to seeing with the GoPros. The typical slide-on mount with the 3M adhesive on the bottom. Stick that to your snowboarding helmet or what have you. We've got the typical GoPro mount that attaches to the bottom of the GoPro if you're not familiar with GoPros and how they work. And then you lock it in with this thing that is stuck in the bottom. There we go. There's the little screw part where you screw it in, locks in that mount. Now, let's get to the good stuff, guys. Let's get to the camera itself, which is stuck in here a little bit. By the way, I was right. Recycled material. Here we go. It's got like this wrapping around it, but it was wedged in there pretty tight. Nothing else is left in the box. It's got like this paper wrapped around the outside that made it kind of interesting to get it out, but I'm sure it's there to protect the GoPro as it's in the package, as it's tumbling around the world to make its way to your home. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Wow, another reminder. They really want us to update the software before we start using this thing. We will do that. We will follow directions. There you go. Peel the paper off. That comes off the outside. It's got this sticker on the screen of the front, sticker on the screen in the front there, and then of course a protective sticker covering up the lens itself. And there you go, guys. There's the new GoPro Hero 12 Black in its entirety. Now we're going to take this sticker off. I sure hope we don't forget to update the software. I don't think we will. And it is all black, isn't it? I do like, if you look at the plastic, you see that like textured kind of finish on there. That is really cool. And GoPro here has like an embossed kind of texture to it. It's raised a little bit. Can you see that? That is very cool. I mean, otherwise it does look reminiscent of most of the GoPros that we've had before. It says 12 Black on the side there. You got some mounts on the bottom there, all your mounting hardware. Now take a look at this. To open up the battery compartment, there's this little lip in the corner here. Oh, and if you had older GoPros, you haven't seen that before, but this is part of the waterproof tight seal. And then we pop this battery in here like this, and then this should shut and latch tight. Oh, there we go. Look at that. The GoPro is on. I barely bumped the power button and it popped the GoPro on as soon as I put that battery in here. It's going to ask us for basic language information. Ooh, check that out. 12 Black. The screen on the front is now illuminated. I'll give you a look at that with the power turned on. I'm going to go through the setup. I'm going to test this thing out. We've got a lot to do with this. I just wanted to unbox this for you so you could see exactly what was going on inside the box with the brand new GoPro Hero 12 Black. If you love unboxings like this, cool tech reviews, deals, all kinds of fun tech stuff, if you're a geek like me, subscribe to this channel. We would love it. Throw a comment below. Let us know that you're watching and we will make sure to comment back. I'm Kirk. Tech it before you wreck it.